Hey everyone, this is BUBU and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw this fuzzy spider. I promise you it's very easy. Maybe you just need like 5 to 10 minutes to draw everything here, and I use simple shapes and simple lines, and I believe that everyone is going to be able to do it. So please be ready with your pencil and also marker and some crayons, of course, and let's jump into drawing these fuzzy spiders. I will use my pencil first. So I will start with two circles here and one circle next to it. Okay, then I will draw another circle around it. Should be like this. And I will draw another two circles here. Another one here. And one more circle around it. Okay. Then, now, I will use my marker, but I will bold the smaller circles only. Okay, and one circle here, another circle there. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to erase the pencil lines, but you just need some fading circles. It's not totally gone, it's still there, because we need the bigger circles, these circles, as our guide later. So it's still there, so you can see it, right? Okay, that's it. Next, I will take green. So you can just use any color you want. I will just use green, and I will draw lines like this. So you just need to draw one line after another, following the guides, the circles we've drawn before. So it should be like this. It's very easy, right? Then other circles, no, not other lines. So it goes from out inside. Okay, so this way it looks fuzzy, right? Next, I will use my darker green. Yeah, just to give some fading shadow. It will make it more interesting. It will be better than using only one color. Okay, so we have it. It's easy, right? We have the first one, and now I will use my yellow. I will do the same steps. I will draw some lines here, one after another. And another shades of yellow. So we have it. They are fuzzy enough. If you want to give more for this one, wait. I think I want to give it some orange. Okay, I think this orange is going to be interesting, because I think the yellow is just too pale. I want it vibrant and bright. So I end up using three colors here. Okay, I did it. I finished with this. Next, I will draw the eyes so they are looking at each other. Okay, so you can see that they are looking at each other. Then now I will draw. So I use this black pencil, this pencil to draw the lips and also little fangs here. So you see it's almost finished. And there and there. You see? Oh yeah, we need some feet. I will give them like 3 feet here. 1, 2, 3. Another 3 there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and also this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. So we finish with the spiders, the fuzzy spiders. But I want to draw a spider web. I will put a dot here. This is the center of the spider web. I will draw a line there, and also there. Okay. Next, I will draw something like this, just like upside down U. See, that's it. We finished with our spiders. It's very easy. It's very easy and it doesn't need much time. I hope you try it. Please write me in the comment how it goes, and please support me with like and subscribe. And I will see you again in the next video tutorials. Bye for now. Bye.